Hi everyone who loves YouTube. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, the go-to space for all things YouTube growth and success. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for every aspiring content creator out there. Big mistakes small YouTubers still make. Whether you're just starting out or you've been on the platform for a while, we've all made our fair share of mistakes. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to uncover some of the common pitfalls that small YouTubers often find themselves in, and more importantly, how to avoid them. From neglecting SEO strategies to overlooking the power of engagement, we're here to shed light on the key areas where creators often stumble. But it's not just about pointing out mistakes. It's about helping you learn and grow from them. So, if you're ready to level up your YouTube game, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our growing community of content creators. Trust me, you don't want to miss the valuable insights we're about to share. Let's turn those mistakes into lessons, and together, let's build a community of successful, thriving creators. Without further ado, let's jump right into big mistakes small YouTubers still make. Navigating the path of a burgeoning creator entails overcoming the formidable challenge of garnering visibility. Picture yourself as the not-so-frozen pea in a vast supermarket, noticeable only when someone directs attention to it. Similarly, in the realm of YouTube, each opportunity for exposure is invaluable, commencing with impressions. Think of your video thumbnail as the initial glimpse of that pea. It's an impression. Your paramount objective is to captivate viewers, compelling them to click and explore the content you've crafted. In this vast digital landscape, the art of making a lasting impression becomes your beacon for success, beckoning viewers to uncover the creativity and passion you've invested in your work. As a burgeoning content creator, you face a double dilemma. Firstly, the YouTube algorithm poses a hurdle. Lacking substantial data on your channel, it's sparing with impressions. Secondly, an audience predicament emerges. Your name and content are unfamiliar amidst a sea of established creators, competing for attention against recognized figures. Your thumbnail and title become pivotal, marking the inception of a common rookie error. Crafting an eye-catching thumbnail and compelling title is not just an aesthetic choice. It's your ticket to standing out amidst the crowd, enticing viewers to give your content a chance. Overcoming this dual challenge requires strategic presentation, offering a glimpse into your unique content and sparking curiosity in a landscape dominated by familiarity. Creators often neglect the importance of captivating thumbnails and titles, hastily assembling them after pouring heart and soul into video creation. To enhance your content's visibility and allure, here's a valuable tip. Invest more time in crafting compelling thumbnails and titles. Allocate double the usual time for the next 5 thumbnails, simplifying their complexity. Alternatively, embrace an unconventional approach by creating the thumbnail and title before commencing the video. This method, though daring, could yield remarkable results. Remember, thumbnails and titles serve as your video's first impression, enticing viewers to click. By prioritizing their quality, you enhance the overall appeal of your content and potentially attract a broader audience. Get ready for a delightful challenge. Our not-so-frozen pea has embarked on a journey to a new location. Can you uncover a hiding spot? Share your discoveries in the comments section below. But that's not all. Brace yourself for a thumbnail showdown. 2 thumbnails grace the screen, each vying for your click. Which one would you choose, and more importantly, why? The clock is ticking, so don't hesitate. Let the games begin, and let us know which thumbnail catches your eye. Your quick decision could unlock a world of excitement. Happy hunting! Research reveals that Netflix users dedicate a mere 1.8 seconds evaluating each thumbnail, emphasizing the crucial role of visual appeal. With YouTube offering a plethora of choices, it's probable that viewers allocate even less time per thumbnail. Human rapidity in image processing is evident, yet the intricacy of a thumbnail impacts this efficiency. Delving into the rationale behind choosing one thumbnail over another becomes pivotal for content creators. Recognizing the nuances that capture attention can be a game-changer in enhancing the effectiveness of your own thumbnails, making it imperative to craft visually compelling and instantly engaging imagery to stand out in the vast sea of content options. Titles play a crucial role once the thumbnail seizes attention. The synergy between compelling titles and captivating thumbnails is paramount, fostering intrigue and offering additional context. An exemplar of this dynamic is our most clicked thumbnail in recent months. While simplicity and emotional resonance contribute, the true catalyst is the title. It not only defines the target audience, but also introduces a tantalizing mystery, transforming a mere click into an exploration. This strategic fusion of visual and textual elements is a testament to the power of well-crafted titles in amplifying engagement. As creators, we must recognize the symbiosis between titles and thumbnails to optimize our content's allure and resonance with the audience. Now, let's delve into the crucial realm of click-through rates. It's easy to become fixated on the pursuit of a mythical golden number. But here's a piece of advice. Don't let it consume you. Instead, leverage the YouTube Studio dashboard as your compass. This powerful tool provides insights that can guide you in assessing whether your video titles and thumbnails are propelling your content on an upward trajectory. However, the journey doesn't end with a compelling thumbnail and title. As viewers initiate the playback of your video, it's essential to emphasize the keyword here: start. Regrettably, not all viewers persevere to witness the grand final. A substantial chunk tends to drop off within the first few seconds, a phenomenon aptly named the dreaded hockey stick decline. This is where the detrimental impact of branded intros and channel intros comes into play. Instead of acting as enticing gateways to your content's value, they often erect barriers, deterring viewers from progressing further. In the intricate dance of online content, understanding and mitigating these obstacles can be pivotal. As you navigate the landscape of viewer engagement, remember that every second counts, and optimizing the user experience from the outset can significantly impact your video success. Here's a nugget of wisdom for you. Front-load your creative efforts. Invest 50% or more of your time, energy, and resources on your thumbnail, title, and the first 30 seconds to a minute of your video. These initial moments have the most profound impact on your video success. And speaking of rookie mistakes, there's a colossal subscriber error that nearly every creator falls prey to. Intrigued? Well, you'll have to stay tuned to find out. So, creators, let's face these challenges head-on. Infuse that extra spark into your thumbnails, and continue crafting content that captivates your audience. Until our next creative rendezvous, happy creating!